Have you noticed how expensive LPG cylinders have become lately? A few years ago, a gas refill was just another household expense. Today, in many parts of India, prices are approaching 1000 rupee per cylinder. And when you are cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day, that cost adds up fast. That's exactly why more families are looking for smarter and more affordable cooking solutions. One option that has become incredibly popular is the induction cooktop. It is energy efficient, safer than an open flame, easy to clean, and can help reduce your dependence on costly LPG cylinders. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 best induction cooktops under 3000 rupees. Let's begin. Fifth one is Pigeon Cruise, around 1999 rupees. Starting our list is the Pigeon Cruise. This is one of the most affordable induction cooktops available. You get a crystal glass top, easy push-button controls, and LED display, and an automatic shut-off function. For students, hostel residents, bachelors, or anyone looking for a backup cooking solution, this model offers excellent value. Simple, practical, and budget-friendly. At number 4, we have the Pigeon favorite iBELL 1800 watts. This model offers more heating power with its 1800 watt output. You get a crystal glass body, LED display, user-friendly controls, and a 1-year warranty. It is ideal for first-time induction users who want a reliable product without unnecessary complexity. Just plug it in and start cooking. At number 3, we have the Longway Cruiser iBELL 2000 watts. This model packs a powerful 2000 watt heating system and comes with 8 cooking modes. It also features a shockproof and rust-proof ABS body. But the standout feature is the 2-year warranty. Most induction cooktops in this price range offer only a 1-year warranty. Longway doubles that coverage, making it one of the strongest value for money options on this list. Coming in at number 2 is the iBELL 20 years old. This cooktop delivers a full 2000 watts of power and includes Indian cooking presets, a built-in automatic voltage regulator, and excellent customer feedback. What makes it special is the price. Despite offering premium features, it remains one of the most affordable options in its category. If your goal is maximum performance without spending extra money, this model deserves serious attention. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Prestige Pick 20 Neo. While its power rating is slightly lower at 1600 watts, it earns the top position because of its reputation for reliability and after-sales support. Prestige is one of India's most trusted kitchen appliance brands. You get Indian cooking presets, an automatic voltage regulator, a timer function, and a durable toffined glass surface. For families who want dependable long-term performance and easy service support, this is the safest choice on the list. Here are a few simple tips that can help you cook more safely, save electricity, and get the best performance from any induction cooktop. Use cookware with a flat bottom. It heats faster, cooks better, and saves electricity. Keep a lid on the cookware whenever possible. Food cooks faster and uses less power. Use the right power setting. You do not need maximum power all the time. Lower settings can save electricity. Do not block the cooling vents. Good airflow helps the cooktop stay cool and work properly. Place the cooktop on a flat, dry surface. This improves safety and prevents damage. Unplug the cooktop when not in use. It improves safety and saves power. Clean the glass surface regularly. A clean cooktop works efficient and lasts longer.
Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Infinite Finds and hit the bell icon. Every video on this channel is created after careful market research, so you get reliable information without wasting your time. If you enjoy content like this, your subscription helps us create more useful videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.